Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today's color is black. Okay, so I got a black lid, I have some brown and burgundies, and I also have some glitter in the inner tear duct. So don't forget to tell me what color you want to see next. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, as well as share, hit the subscription button and the notification bell. Let's get started. Okay, so first I already primed my lid with this LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fine. We're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette for this whole look. So this is a one-stop shop, one palette tutorial besides the glitter. So let's get started. The first color I'm going to use is called Sienna, and I'm going to go ahead and place that inside of the crease. Same palette, different color. So this color is called Mulberry, and I'm just going to place that inside of the crease as well, right up under Sienna, and then I'm going to blend both of the colors together. Okay, so we are going to base our eyelid. I'm using this LA Girl Pro primer in the color black, and I'm just going to place that all over the lid and then blend it up with the concealer brush. Same palette, different color. So this is the black in the palette, and it is called Noir, and we're just going to place that all on top of the base that we just applied, and we're also going to bring it up into the crease. So now I'm just blending the black up, and I want to get rid of this harsh line, so I put a little black on the fluffy brush, and I'm just blending it up into the crease. Same palette. This color is called Mulberry, and we use that as our second color, and we're also using it again to blend out the edges of the brown, the black. Okay, so out of the same palette, we're going to take this shimmery gold, which is called Fairy, and we're going to use this as our eyebrow color, and it is a very, very soft gold, and it is perfect for the eyebrow. So now we're just going to smudge Noir and Mulberry on the bottom lash line with a Sonocastic brush, the small eyeshadow brush. So now we're going to take this NYX glitter liner. It is called Crystal Silk. And we're going to place this in the inner tear duct and 1/4 on the lower lash line and just blend it out. So I'm adding lashes and liner off camera, and mascara is the L'Oreal Intense in Carbon Black and the Maybelline Total Tease in carbon in black, the very black. Time to highlight and conceal. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep and blend it out with my black beauty blender. So we're just going to go ahead and place this under the eyes, cupid's bow, chin, nose, and forehead. Okay, so for powders, we're going to use benign powders. For the highlighted areas, we're going to use Topaz. For all over face, we're going to use Sienna and Chestnut Mix. This is per use, what I always do during every tutorial. So time to contour and highlight. To contour, we're going to use this Black Radiance foundation in Deep Coffee. And for the highlight, we are going to use the Juvia's Place palette, and we're going to use the color Cara, which is at the top. The first color when you open the palette is the highlighter that I used. Okay, so the blush I'm going to use is from my Milani, and this is called Lady Rouge. It is like a pink blush, and we're just going to place this on the apples of our cheeks. So for the lips, we're going to use this Ruby Kisses matte liquid lipstick, and this one is in the color It's You. And we're just going to place that all over the lid. I mean, not all over the lid, all over the lips. is the finished look. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, do that now, right now, and I hope to talk to you guys real soon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be the first one to know when I upload a video. So I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye.